US Fleet Tracking. How to set up your fleet tracking system in your vehicle. Installing a fleet tracking system in your car or truck is usually a simple process. Here's how it works. The first step is to figure out how you're going to power your global positioning system, or GPS unit. One way is to connect it to your vehicle's battery or another external power source. Now you need to find a place to install the unit. It's important to put it in a spot where the GPS signal won't be obstructed. It needs to be able to communicate with GPS satellites orbiting the Earth. While the signal can pass through wood, plastic, and glass, it can't penetrate metal. Therefore, you need to ensure that there is no metal between the unit and the sky above. A good installation place is under the dashboard covering, just below the windshield. Alternatively, you can install it underneath your vehicle. To do this, you need to place the unit inside a weather-resistant case and be sure to attach the device so it faces downward or away from the vehicle. For more information on GPS installation, please visit our website at www.usfleettracking.com.